is another look at our Slub Knit Come Sail Away hoodie. Nearly sold out in its debut, which means one presentation. It's been loving it in this show. We're not getting these back in. No reorder. I don't know why. It's not because they weren't popular, because they had one presentation and this one. There are fewer than 500 total to go around across sizes extra, extra small through 5X in 3 different colors. 60% modal, 60% cotton, 40% modal. You're gonna machine wash, tumble dry. This is called Sandbar. And if you don't know the line, Belle by Kim Gravel, there are colors like Sandbar and Twilight that you're gonna find throughout the line. So when you want to match back, you wanna find a pair of jeans or shorts to match back to this, you can do that. You just type in Belle Sandbar. So that has the white boats and the little hood on the back. This is the white, and that one has the black sailboats. We have fewer than 200 remaining. And then we have Twilight. Twilight is the most popular, only a little over 100 of these remaining. And then that's it, forever. It's not even just like, oh, we might get them back in a year. No, we're not reordering these. We might change our mind. I don't think we ever do that, but I mean, I would. This has been so popular. So it's that Slub knit. Explain that for someone who's like, Slub, what does that mean?
I know, because a lot of people don't know, and that's okay. That's what we're here for, is to kind of educate you on fabrications. We do that well here with QVC. So this is where that cotton meets that modal and causes, when it marries together, it causes this high and low effect in the fabrication. So if you can't see it on Jamie right there, we understand. But when you get it home and see it in person, you're going to see why this looks so expensive. Because those highs and lows and where those fabrics are meeting gives it a very rich look. I also love that we did the, kind of braided drawstring that goes around the hoodie. I love that, Terry, and I love the tassels. I'm a tassel girl. I love it.
I know. I love tassels too. Allison gave us a great tip earlier. If you're going to wash this one, do it inside out or put these in here. Or even better yet, maybe put it in a garment bag, just so those stay nice and pretty. The braiding was a great detail.
I love
There's
that.
Lots of stretch here. And that here you can really, in this color, you can really see that Slub knit. It gives it such a pretty texture. And then I had to look at Jamie with this on to let me know that there are pockets here. And she's 5.
Terry, I love pockets.
I love pockets too. She's 5'9", by the way, and she was in the 1X. The length is 27¼ inches to 33½ inches. We'll probably never see this presented again. Maybe here on QVC 2, but definitely not on QVC 1. Sandbar, white, and Twilight, A647994. You know the other, so Come Sail Away, great song. Also, Sailing Takes Me Away.
I know,
it's the yacht rock.
More than 10 seconds, we're going to get in trouble, so we can't sing the whole song, or Terry and I would join in.
We'll be there soon. If you missed anything in the show, this has been so much fun. It flew by, 2 hours. We had a lot of great clearance in the show. We had a lot of very popular items that are near selling out, so you probably won't see them again on QVC 1. So check that out on QVC.com. Allison, thank you so much, always, for your time. It's so much fun. Please give Kim and the whole family my love.
Bye, Terry. We love you, girl. Mwah.
Bye. All right, Avisha's coming up next. She's one of our newest hosts. She's adorable. You are going to love her if you don't already. And she's going to be here with Angel Smedley and Cracker Factory coming up next.